So what's your name?
Justine Wright.
And how often do you go to the cinema?
I go to cinema whenever I have money, really, so once every 2 months.
Okay. What's your favourite horror film if you have one?
I don't know. I don't really have a particular favourite. I'll just.
What was the last horror movie you saw and liked?
The last horror movie I saw and liked was Grave Encounters.
And what did you like about it the most?
I liked the atmosphere. It was really clever with the play of characters. I really enjoyed it.
And what do you think of my synopsis? What do you like and not like about it?
I really like the idea of the number of people you have, the 3 boys and the 1 girl. It means that you'll really be able to play with stereotypes and work on focus on each of the characters in turn. An improvement would be maybe show a bit of the chase rather than just the bodies at the end of the film.
What's your name?
David Goodwin.
And how often do you go to the cinema?
About once a month.
Right, what was the last horror film you saw and liked?
I'm not sure on my last one, but I liked 28 Days Later.
And what did you like about it?
Because it was quite scary at times and it also had a good plot behind it.
Okay, what do you like about my synopsis and what don't you like about it?
The main point that I think it's not really bad, but it might be hard to follow the synopsis when you're watching the film. But the good thing is it's quite unique and there's not been a film that's similar to it. At least I don't know of one anyway.
What's your name?
I'm Rory.
And what was the last film you went to see at the cinema and how often do you go?
Last film I went to see at the cinema was Battle LA.
And how often do you go to the cinema?
It's rarely. I go every now and then, but it's just money and I never have enough.
Right. What was the last horror film you saw and liked?
Last horror film I saw and liked was Stephen King's Dreamcatcher. Which was quite good.
What did you like about it?
I liked how it was just. It was just interesting. It was an interesting film. There was a lot of strange concepts and it was a bit weird, but I thought it was really good.
Right. And what do you like and not like about my synopsis?
I like the idea of it. I like the setting as well. And the I'm presuming it'll be point of view shot as well. I like that about it. But what I think you should think about more is the kind of parts where everything in the part starts to move, because the thing is quite a budget horror film obviously, and it might just be quite challenging to kind of get that across without looking a bit naff. But I don't know, for the most part I thought it was pretty good, to be honest.